RCFP by badge, One Creative by Grace. This is not just a content, it is a daily dose of real life faith and fresh perspective. Good day to you all. Attention, attention, attention. Why are the medical professionals here the exam that you need? The MDCNS of National Medical Assessment for foreign trained graduates will commence on 25th to 26th of June 2025. Also, the National Postgraduate Medical College exams are coming around April to May 2025 in Lagos. Start your preparation area, make your calendar and stay ahead. If it made you smile, think or blink twice. Hit that like button, drop a comment and follow for more updates. I am Hafiz, signing off but never far, stick around. Thank you and goodbye.